Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is access road. Access road. Access road. Access road is a compound noun that refers to a road or pathway built for the primary purpose of providing access to a particular location, such as a building, facility, construction site, or remote area. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The construction crew used the access road to transport heavy equipment to the building site. Why access road is used in example number 1. Access road is used to describe the road specifically created to provide access for transporting heavy equipment to the construction site. Example number 2. The park's access road winds through the forest, leading visitors to scenic viewpoints and hiking trails. Why access road is used in example number 2. Access road refers to the road that guides visitors through the forest to reach scenic viewpoints and hiking trails within the park. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.